In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can send a video message on WhatsApp. A video message on WhatsApp offers a dynamic means of communication, delivering visual cues, emotions, and information with clarity and convenience. This is a new WhatsApp feature that allows users to send short video messages. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. Let's select this chat right here. On the camera icon right here, long hold and slide up to lock it in. Then you will be able to record a short video message. Tap on send and it will appear just like this in a circular format. Just like any other message, you can delete, pin or share your video message to other users. That's how easy it is to send a short video message on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.